In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blog with Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a blog page set up, a first post created, and you'll know how to save it as a draft or publish it live with confidence. Start by logging in to your Squarespace account. Once you're in, make sure you're working on the correct website. If you manage more than one, you'll see the main menu on the left side. This is your command center for everything you'll build. From that main menu, head to website. This is where you control the structure and content of your site. Next, open Pages. The Pages panel shows your navigation and any collections you've already created, and it's where you'll add your blog. Click the plus icon to add a new page. When the menu appears, choose Blog from the Collections options. A blog is a special kind of collection that stores individual posts and automatically organizes them for you, so you don't have to build a listing page manually. You'll be prompted to select a layout and give your blog a title. Pick a layout that matches your site's style. You can change it later if needed. For the title, use something clear and recognizable like blog, news, or journal, so visitors know exactly what they're clicking. Press enter to save the new blog page. Squarespace will create it and open its backend panel where your posts will live. If you don't see it immediately, return to the Pages menu and navigate to the blog page you just created. You'll notice a posts area that will list your content as you add it. To start your first article, click the plus icon to create a new post. An editor will open. Begin by entering a strong, descriptive title. This helps readers understand the topic at a glance and sets expectations for the content that follows. Inside the editor, click the plus icon to add content blocks. Use text blocks for your writing, image blocks for photos or graphics, and gallery blocks when you want to showcase multiple visuals in a clean, scrollable layout. You can drag blocks to reorder them, format your text for readability with headings and short paragraphs, and add brief image descriptions for accessibility. Aim for a clean structure that's easy to skim: title, introduction, key points, and a clear wrap-up. When you're ready to save your work, click Save to keep the post as a draft. If you're done and want it on your site, open Options and choose Publish to make it live. You can always return to edit, update, or unpublish later. That's it. Your Squarespace blog is set up, your first post is created, and you know how to manage drafts and publish with ease.